Hey guys, today I'll be working on my project. Basically, it's a Honda Ballad VTEC body with V20Z motor in. This channel is basically my progress regarding the project and some odds and ends, some other people, scores I'll attend to as well. I'm not an expert, but I'll try and do whatever I can to the best of my ability and to maybe help you guys out. Keep in mind, this is my own personal project that I am doing, so I would like any comments regarding help or whatever if I'm doing improper work. In any case, I would like to show you guys how my car looks. It's not all that, but in time I'll bring it back to where it's supposed to be, nice and neat. So stay tuned for the progress, and yeah, enjoy the channel guys. Shot. Today I'm going to attempt to polish up my headlights as it's a bit yellow, as well as do an oil change and replace the oil filter, and then I'll give it a nice clean inside and out. So stay tuned to see all the progress happening in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There is a 17mm socket, and then I'll show you quickly where the bolt is located. Right there. Do some carb cleaner because that some plug was damn tight. Got him. So let's continue. As you can see, oil is dripping. I'm gonna remove the filter shortly, the oil filter shortly. Oil was black. In any case, I'm gonna have to remove the filter now, the oil filter, and then take it from there. So yeah, stay tuned. Oil filter off, just punch it right there, both sides, and then it will be easier to turn off. And also, when installing the new filter, always grease up this with some oil before replacing it back. So I don't know if you can see right there, the oil filter fitted perfectly, and then I just tied the sump plug. So now time for throwing in the oil. So yeah, let's get to that. Gonna wash it off. Gonna give it a nice clean inside and out, and then I'll be ending off the vlog. I'm gonna give you a proper walk around of the car itself. Take note it's still wet. I'm just waiting it to dry a bit so I can dry it off properly. And yeah, enjoy guys. So basically this is what I've done. Polished the headlights, as you guys can see. Still have a few things that I have to do on the car, like spray job. There's just a rust piece on the bonnet, not too major. I'm thinking of spraying all the windows black. I need to fix that wheel. That Lemonix got to go, or semi-clears. Yeah, VTEC spoiler. And I'm missing one tech wheel. If any of you guys have 2 tech wheels for sale, please hit me up. And yeah, that's basically it. I will be repairing the bumper, or maybe get another bumper. Yes, I see, there is a Peugeot Synthicap, but bought the car like that, so yeah. Okay, let's go inside. It's quite dirty still. Clean it up in a bit. And yeah, I just basically need a piece there, some cracks there. There you go. Some panels have cracks. Seats was recovered. Not a bad job on the recovering though. And otherwise, sunroof in fully working condition with cover. So I'm gonna dry the car quickly, and then do the inside. Clean out inside nicely, and then yeah, let's call it a day. Alright guys, that's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell. Cheers.